Now, what are the tips that I can share with you to help you get on track with reducing your waste? First of all, provide tools to record on the spot. Now, don't think about SAP. You can use an Excel. For example, we've created an Excel, which is a representation of how our product works. Of course, you don't have the benefits of automation, of ease of use, of user friendliness, but we have an Excel that showcases how to record your waste. So if you have this Excel, put it on an iPad and give it to your team so that whenever they're walking in the kitchen, they're able to record that on the go. Set up clear depletion rates per item and by recipe. Be obsessive about how a recipe is made, the quantities used, and the amount of items that you have in store. Have standard recording practices. The way that you record a waste will change from a person to another. If you install a standard way of recording your waste, for example, you have to put your name, you have to put your date, you have to put the number of items wasted, the category of this item, which inventory has it been taken out of, because some restaurants have a bar inventory and they have a kitchen inventory. And if you end up depleting an ingredient from the kitchen inventory, which was initially in the bar inventory, then you end up with negative stock, and this leads to nonsense at the end of the month. All right. Hold employees responsible. Some restaurants will take a cut off of their employees' salary at the end of the month if there is variance that's happening under their own responsibility. That's one of the ways that they hold them accountable. But another way to do it is to explain to your team how things work. And that ultimately, if the business fails, well, they might be out of a job. So this really is about teamwork and about holding people responsible. And don't forget and delay. That's the worst thing that you could do. Record things as they happen, use a mobile tool, learn how to build urgency in your team's mind. You can have the most accurate, state of the art software. If your team doesn't understand the urgency of needing to record things, that's an issue. Of course, the benefits of a software is that you remove the obstacles of user friendliness in order to enable them to do their job without any friction. Friction in business is the worst thing that can happen.